Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to meal prep chicken. This is how I do it. People ask me if I do it for a couple of days or a week. So what I do is I get like a big 10 or 12 pounds of chicken and then meal prep for like 10 or 12 days. Right now I'm eating like 10 ounces a day, so that's how long it lasts me. So here I have I believe it's like 11 or 12 pounds of chicken. So what I do is first I wash it and then I put it in the strainer. That way if you put like the wet chicken in the pan, it's gonna make it very like watery. So put it in the strainer, and then we'll start lining up the chicken on the tray. Just layer them up. Just don't put on top of each other, just put them right next to each other. And I also like to cut them into like small pieces. Actually, I don't cut them, I get them from like a local meat store, so they already cut it for me. But if you have like bigger pieces, make sure they're like, you cut them into smaller pieces so it cooks evenly and doesn't dry out the chicken. So as you're washing the chicken and get your seasonings ready, just preheat the oven because it takes a little while. 350 and start. So now we added seasoning on one side, now we flipped it over. Now we're gonna add the rest of the seasoning all over the chicken. So now I drizzled more oil on it, so now the chicken's ready to go in the oven. And now we'll put the tray in the oven. And I just put it in the middle rack right here, and we'll put it for like 25 to 30 minutes. So I added the timer for 25 minutes, and then we'll flip it over and then do another 25 minutes. 25 minutes, so we'll take out the chicken and then flip it over so it cooks evenly on both sides. So we'll just take it out. So now I'm flipping over the chicken so it cooks evenly on both sides. And then we'll put it, once I'm done flipping all of them, we'll put it back for another 25 minutes and that should be good to go. Alright guys, the chicken is done. Just took it out the oven right now. And the temperature times can vary depending on your oven, but you can always check manually. So here, just find like the biggest chicken breast right here, and then poke it in. And you can see, it's fully cooked. So there you go. And now I'm just gonna cut them up and then put into meal prep boxes, and I'll show you that. Alright guys, the chicken is done cooking right here. So now what I like to do is take out all my meal prep containers, and I'll do 10 ounces of chicken in each container. So for you, it might be different. For you, it might be 4 ounce, 5 ounce, 8 ounce, whatever your fitness goals are. But for me, I'm doing right now 10 ounces a day to make sure I hit my protein goals. So what I like to do is turn on the scale and then put a container on there, just make sure it's zeroed out. And then just take my chicken breast and just cut it into small pieces like that. Because like when I heat it up, it'll be easier to like warm up. If it's like a big piece, sometimes it just gets very, very dry. So cut into little pieces. Yeah, that should be good. So that's 10 ounces right here. So I'll go through all the chicken and make as many containers as possible, and it'll probably last me maybe like 10 days or something, and I'll meal prep again. Alright guys, I just got done cooking all the chicken, so I was able to make 10 boxes of 10 ounces each. And what I do is I put 4 in the fridge and the rest in the freezer because I don't want the chicken to go bad. But if you put 4 in the fridge, you should be good for the next 4 days, and then pull it out as you need it. And yeah, this took like almost like 2 hours maybe, but it just saves you so much time throughout the week. You don't have to cook every day. And literally all I have to do is go in the fridge, take out a box, heat it up, and I could get my protein in for the day. And I only did chicken right now and not the carbs, because for carbs I've been switching it up every day. Some days I do rice, some days I do pasta. Like for rice, if I don't eat rice that day, I'll take out this rice box and eat it. And some days I'll do pasta, or it just depends on the day. So yeah, I only did chicken for now, so at least I know I'm hitting my chicken for the day. And yeah, that is all. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. I'll continue making meal prep videos, food recipe videos, workouts, and so on. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.